Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how we can delete these unused themes and remove these themes so that our website loading speed will improve and they might be spacing some space in our WordPress directory, so that will help to relieve that space in our WordPress directory. So let's see how to delete these themes from our WordPress account. So for that, just click on theme details. Here you can see a activate button and a delete button. Activate button will activate this theme and delete button will delete this theme permanently from here. So for deleting, click on delete, click on OK. Here you can see the theme is deleted. So like that you can delete all the unused themes from your WordPress account and relieve all the space for increasing the performance of your WordPress website. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.